Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're embarking on a truly critical journey. We're talking about the massive technological shift happening right now in environmental conservation. We are finally moving away from those outdated, clunky paper maps and stepping straight into the era of pixel precision forest management. By using these cutting-edge drone surveillance protocols, we can literally monitor forest clearance boundaries in real time. It's an absolutely fascinating evolution, and honestly, the impact on our global ecosystems is profound. Now, you might be wondering why this shift is so incredibly vital. Well, just look at this number. India alone has a massive forest cover of 715,343 square kilometers. That is nearly 22% of the country's entire geographical area. To put that into perspective, managing a landscape of that sheer magnitude makes it absolutely impossible to rely purely on traditional boots-on-the-ground monitoring. I mean, field officers simply can't walk every single kilometer of these boundaries to catch illegal logging or encroachment. It's just not feasible. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be looking at the manual audit problem, moving into thermal and LiDAR sensors, automating encroachment detection, meeting statutory forest mandates, and finally, exploring the future of digital governance. First step, Section 1, the manual audit problem. So the flaws of our legacy systems are pretty glaring. Traditional manual audits completely rely on slow, paper-based maps and manual ground GPS marking. This naturally has a massively high margin of error, and, it almost always leads to messy legal disputes over exact boundaries. But modern 2026 digital governance mandates, they demand something entirely different. They require real-time tracking, absolutely strict, legally defensible spatial evidence, and AI-driven logs that are 100% free from human bias. Essentially, paper-based compliance just doesn't cut it anymore. Let's move on to Section 2, thermal and LiDAR sensors. And this brilliantly illustrates the actual hardware. Think of this drone as a digital park ranger up in the sky. It's equipped with an APM, or Autopilot mega flight controller, for its navigation, and it uses a little Raspberry Pi mini processor acting as its brain to process all that complex sensor data. Meanwhile, the telemetry link acts like its nervous system, instantly communicating health and precise positional data via a network bridge right back to the ground control station in real time. One of the absolute game changers mounted on these drones is LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. Basically, LiDAR shoots down millions of laser pulses that actually penetrate right through dense forest canopies. It maps all this data onto sub-centimeter geospatial coordinates, giving us highly accurate 3D point clouds. This literally lets forest managers see the bare earth terrain below the trees, analyze stem density, and define the exact edges of a clearing and biomass volumes in a way standard cameras just can't do. But working hand in hand with LiDAR is photogrammetry. While LiDAR handles all that incredible 3D structural data, photogrammetry uses high-resolution RGB cameras and structure from motion techniques to capture the texture, the color, and the spatial patterns of the forest. This is absolutely crucial for identifying individual tree crowns, sorting out different types of vegetation, and creating those highly detailed 3D models we need for pinpointing gaps in the canopy. Beyond just structure and texture, we also have real-time thermal reconciliation. If you look at these contour maps, you can see how live thermal sensors identify heat signatures across incredibly dense canopies. We're talking about spotting the heat from illegal machinery or early-stage forest fires instantly. The system processes this thermal data and locks it onto geospatial coordinates with an error of just about 1 meter. It perfectly bridges that gap between raw aerial video and precise, actionable, and legally defensible spatial evidence. Right, on to Section 3, automating encroachment detection. Let's move to and see how this builds into an automated closed-loop system. It happens in 3 rapid steps. First, the drone captures that high-res, multispectral, and RGB data. Second, onboard Edge AI processes this data instantly. Models like YOLO V5 enable lightning-fast inference with a latency of just 0.9 seconds per alert. That is incredibly fast. Finally, the telemetry system flags any boundary breach directly to secure government cloud reporting systems the exact moment it happens on site. You can really see this in action with the red AI bounding boxes generated on screen. These deep learning models, specifically YOLO V5 for rapid object detection and DeepLab V3+ for semantic segmentation, accurately draw these exact boundaries around cleared areas, tree stumps, or logging vehicles. And with an area estimation error as low as 5.2%, this completely automates the whole inspection process. It totally removes human bias and generates timestamped data logs instantly, with zero delay. Which brings us to Section 4, meeting statutory forest mandates. To really ground this technology in reality, let's look at the Assam project on forest and biodiversity conservation. This massive initiative is actively engaging service providers to use these exact drone-based photogrammetry and LiDAR sensors. They're out there right now, mapping, counting, and verifying seedlings and trees across 12,500 hectares of forest plantations. It's a huge undertaking. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the rigorous statistical sampling design mandated by the Forest Department. As you can see in the table, the required number of physical 1-hectare sample plots scales mathematically with the exact size of the plantation block. The drone data is actually correlated with this physical PMI sample plot data. It's this mathematically validated correlation that makes these automated audits so strictly defensible in legal terms. And let me tell you, the outputs are held to exceptionally high standards. Raw flight logs have to be transformed into standardized reports within a super strict 90-day timeframe. These statutory deliverables demand a vertical accuracy of 15 centimeters or less and a tree detection bias of no more than 10%. By perfectly aligning aerial data outputs with these benchmarks, the tech simplifies the rigorous verification process for stakeholders and easily withstands intense legal scrutiny. Finally, Section 5, Future of Digital Governance. So, the crucial point is how this all ties back to global climate stability. Under the Paris Agreement, India has committed to creating an additional carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of CO2 equivalent by 2030. That is a staggering number. Achieving this monumental target absolutely requires the transparent, spatially accurate tracking of carbon stocks that only integrated GIS and drone technologies can provide. Ultimately, our future vision is an ecosystem built entirely on transparent, data-driven governance. Soon, we'll see GeoAI running predictive models to identify deforestation risks before they even happen. We're talking about a shift to proactive forestry, relying on swarms of autonomous drones providing 24/7 coverage of protected zones. And crucially, this spatially precise field data will integrate directly into national greenhouse gas inventories, acting as an omnipresent shield for our forests. So as we shift away from paper-based legacy systems to this new world of pixel precision monitoring, it leaves us with an important question to ponder. Are we finally ready to fully embrace and deploy the autonomous protection our forests desperately need to survive and thrive? Thank you so much for joining me today. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.